We're back. We're back. That's where we got chased out last time. From where?
Okay, what is this?
Jeez.
Okay. So. Oh my gosh.
Dude, imagine.
Guys, if you
That's not the raw. That's not the. We drove
if you-
across that bridge.
if it doesn't really show the perception really good, it's like 40 feet. So we have to be careful.
Oh.
Oof. Yeah. Look at that. A little tunnel. Oh. What? Guys, there's a person behind us. He's
Him up if he tries to do that. If he tries to do anything on me.
he's currently coming, so run.
What?
Who is this guy, bro? Help. Yeah. Hello.
Good, you? Good. Good. Yes, it is.
Okay, he was low-key kind of chill. Dude, that was creepy. He just walked on by on the train track. Who's doing that? Jeez. Check safe. It's moving. Gee. Exposed wiring, derailed rail track, right next to the train tracks, and then there's this little cross right here, which is kind of cool. So, yeah. If you're a train operator, be careful. Oh my gosh, there's like wood and barbed wire and stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was loose. That's loose, dog. Jeez, don't ride trains. We found a little bridge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm literally sliding. Ah! There's a bridge. Guys, we have to do the bridge test and see if there's a goblin underneath it. Oh my gosh, it's Moses! Oh! Dude, it's a freaking goblin! Oh. Oh my gosh, it's steep. Holy. There's holes all over this bridge, guys. Oh my god. My goodness. Peace out, guys. That's it. Train tracks. We're all the way back. I know, yeah. Peace.